Hi, this is Mark. I'm at CES 2017. We're in the HyperX booth, and I wanted to show you one of our latest keyboards. This is going to be the second introduction to the HyperX keyboard family. We're calling it the Alloy RGB keyboard. It is a second design that was going to be in the alloy family, meaning that there is a metal alloy plate on it that everything attaches to that gives it better durability. We are continuing on our line of products that include Cherry MX keys. The keys that we will be using will be including both, actually all three. The brown, red, and blue versions will be available. And it does come with RGB, which includes the 16.8 million colors. It comes with the media keys and volume control. And as you can see from the side, there is the clear top plate of the Cherry MX RGB switches. And there's also another version, so you can see that what we call an LED trench, which has a unique style or coloring that's a little bit different than anybody else, in addition to supporting the full color combos. And this will be available in Q3. Pricing for this is going to be $149.99 US.